So we're up here at the river house, checking out all the walls here. Look at that, we can go straight into here. These do not enter, so we're not going to go into there. Hey Thomas!
Hey!
You have fun?
Yeah?
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, this is sweet. Ready to set up camp.
Yeah.
So we can...
It looks like their people were your size.
Yep. Looks about right.
They would light fires in here, it looks like. And they would come up through there. What do you think about this, bud?
Pretty sweet.
Yeah?
Interesting to wonder how big this really was, because you've got walls over here.
Oh, yeah.
And then you can see on the ceiling where they had masonry touching.
Yeah.
So it kind of makes you wonder. Was this a river house, or was this like a huge fucking community area? I'm gonna climb up there so I can see. No, I don't want to climb the walls.
You can get in from the other side over there.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, look, there's a remaining pillar right here. Bro, this definitely went all the way the fuck across. I mean, it's pretty crazy. They don't climb stuff. Use a selfie stick. See how he's doing it? So smart. Don't climb through stuff, guys. People watching. Wow. They filled in the crack between these rocks. Oh, you must have climbed through, huh? I don't know if I'll fit through there, bud. So this is definitely where someone was living right here. Look at that.
All right, we're gonna go meet Mariana on the other side. See, this is why some people just can't help themselves but be complete fucking douchebags. Runwood, Denver, or Rwood, Denver, you're a fucking POS. Fuck you guys. Yeah, that's right. A lot of history. My favorite part is, I'll show you guys so you can see it better on the inside, but on chunks of this adobe mud, you can straight up see fingerprints. Look at that, it's a perfect thumbprint. Nice. Alright, going in the old, giving the old dick twist.
Well, that sure was neat. Bye, Runes. You guys were awesome. Thank you for being here and being such a rich area in history. Time to go back to the boats.